black sambuca, super nice. Hello guys, I'm Miku and I coming back after 2 weeks of sickness. I still have a little bit of pain. Thank you for the new subscribers. Today we were going to make cocoa margarita or margarita with coconut flavor. This is, I don't know exactly how to name it because it's just arrived by me doing here with some friends of my work. Also I'm working, of course, I'm not just keeping going with the YouTube. And somebody come here and say, I want to drink a margarita of coconut. So this is how I did it. It was a completely success. They drink it a lot, they love it a lot. We are drinking, this bottle is empty. So you can see it, there was this tequila. It's tequila Don Julio, it's a very good one. Also I have another one here for today to making another margarita. It's Herradura Silver and I will explain to you how I did it exactly, and it was very good. I mean, not good, super good, super nice. Let's chill down. Here I have some ice in my shaker. I will just try to have only the ice. Will be nice guys to see this one, and you need to try it. It's coming December, and for sure you will have a lot of friends to join you to the parties and also to preparing for the Christmas. Here we come. It's 1, 2, because I put it in 2 glasses, 2 ounces of tequila. I know it's a lot, but you will see why I put 2 ounces. I will not use it the normal recipe of margarita as you know it. Okay, so tequila, this is coming with some triple sec, and I will use from the triple sec just a half, and you will see a little bit the difference. Why? Okay, this is the flavor of triple sec. I use it. Now guys, I have a special bottle here all the time. I like to drink this liqueur. I put it in a lot of drinks before, and I'm speaking about the East German. I don't know exactly if I say correctly, but this is what they say it. East German. This guys is something about a liqueur of flowers, and it's only 20% of alcohol. Is just for flavor and giving very nice flavor, and I love it. Now what I use it also, it is coconut cream. You will find it a lot of coconut cream everywhere, and you can use it. I use it from Goya, and this is what I use it from Goya Coco. So come on, this is the cream I will use here. I don't know exactly if I can put like this, but I will put more, around 1.5 ounces. I hope. Come on, it's a cream, that's why it's like this. It's a little bit strong. 1.5 ounces, guys. This is amazing flavor. I love this one. Now, what I say, I will put also a coconut express. This is the coconut. How can I say? Inside of the cocoa, it's a liquid, as you know it, and this is the liquid from inside of the cocoa. Here in the supermarket, they are opening it and they sell it only the liquid. I will use it a splash here, and that's it. I think it's 2 days, very fresh one. Now, guys, I just telling to you, normally in a margarita you need to use limes, and also maybe you can use some mix of margarita, but I don't suggest it. That one, just like this, it's enough. It's very enough. Here we come. Okay, and that was all. I use it a little bit glasses. I use it a little glasses. I think I'm measuring for 2 glasses like this, and yeah, that was correct. This is how I use all in these glasses. This is very nice glasses, guys. Now for garnish it, I just cut it some slice of pineapple, and this will be all The important stuff is looks like a pina colada. I know, because I garnish it like this. But guys, the flavor of coconut, this just gives you the smell of pineapple, but the taste of margarita, tequila, flavors of flowers, triple sec, and I don't know, combined with this coconut cream, it's amazing, man. It's very, very, very good, also for the girls, also for the boys. All of them, they are drinking. Now, some of you suggest me also to come in with the story of how I creating this drink. So that's why I'm telling you what I'm doing here around and how I arrived on this recipe. I will give you down to the description the recipe. Also, I will give you down to the description, if you don't find it, that this bottle for each country where you can find it, or you can buy it from Amazon anyway. So you will have that flavor. Thank you for watching this. Don't forget, if you like this video, please subscribe, smash the bell, because you need to have the notification. Is coming next a very nice cocktail, also a challenge who was created by my friends to do it, and I think will be amazing. Thank you once again for watching this. Thank you for the new subscribers once again, and until my next video, stay cool. Bye.